Here's your complete YouTube script for the AI Business Tools channel. Intro music fades in and out. Hook midnight to 0:15. Did you know 80% of businesses use AI tools? They're boosting productivity. They're smashing goals. You need to join them. Stop scrolling. Your business future starts now. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's transforming how we work. Right now, major AI labs are making breakthroughs. Anthropic, for instance, just announced their newest model. It's so powerful, they're hesitant to release it broadly. That's the power we're talking about. The AI revolution is here. It's accelerating daily. Businesses are leveraging these tools. They gain massive competitive advantages. Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing AI tools. They will supercharge your business. Get ready to save time. Get ready to save money. Let's unlock your business's full potential. Tool 1, Claude 1 to 230. First up, let's talk about Claude. Claude is an advanced AI assistant. It excels at complex text analysis and generation. Its single most impressive feature? Claude analyzes text 5x faster than humans. Think about that speed. Imagine you need to summarize a 200-page market research report. Instead of spending 8 hours reading and extracting key insights, Claude does it in 15 minutes. You get actionable summaries. You get crucial data points. It's perfect for busy entrepreneurs. You need quick insights. You need to make fast decisions. Claude provides that edge. Its pricing is flexible. You can use a free tier for basic tasks. For heavy lifting, the Pro plan is just $29 per month. This tool is